Hello and welcome to Dream Crypto Mining. Today I will show you how you can stake your mined or bought Raptoreum into smart nodes to get some interest and rewards for it. So, how can you do it? There is two ways. I will mention the first way a little fast, just an overview, because I have not tried it and I can explain it on a deeper level, so I will try to push you on the right direction if that is something that you're interested in. So, but first of all, why to put your Raptorian into a node? Yeah, first is pretty clear. You will get some rewards for it to stake your Raptorian into nodes. The second is you help to decentralize the Raptoreum blockchain and keep it more safe from attacks. So you can go to the first options, is that you create your own smart nodes, and for that you need 1 million collateral in Raptoreum, a computer to run it on, VPS. This you can do if you want, or if you are a group of friends, you can create one, put your Raptorium in it, and maintain it for yourself and get rewards from it. How you do it, I can just take it to their page. Every link and every page I show I will put in the description later, so you can have everything there. Go back and just check. This is also on their Discord, so I would recommend that you go and join their Discord if you are interested in smart nodes in any way. So I will just scroll through this a little fast. Smart node setup, VPS to start. Recommended 1 gig RAM, 1 CPU works fine. It's an older video, so you can see, I think this was on testnet. They have a script for it that will help you. A little about that. Manual setup. Install the configuration, failed to ban. And download, unpack and run Raptoreum daemon. Here you also have about the collateral. First, second, and we are here now then, at 1 million. Yeah, you can go through this, just check. Also, link in this for their description will be in the link for their Discord will be in the description. So, the second one is, can I say, the most used one. It's that you have can you call it operator that's create these smart nodes, and then can I say bring people together to transfer their Raptoriums into nodes in form of forms that you fill in and send it to them, and when they have 1 million in collateral, they create the smart nodes and maintain it, and for that they take a fee for around 4 to 6% of the rewards you get from the node. So in the big picture, that it's, for me, pretty low, and you don't have to do anything. Just take it easy and relax and be happy. So now to the fun part. How do we join a smart node or a share node? So I will show you two ways, or it's two different operators. that I myself using. And just for the records, these two operators have not asked me to do this. I do it because I want to show you how to do it and what options it is. I can assume it's where that is more people are doing these share nodes. So if you just look on the internet, you will maybe find some more. But I know I have tried this too. It's working. The reward is coming, and they are very friendly to talk to. So, and for the record, this is not final advice. You always have to make your own decision on your assessment and conclusion before investing and sending money or crypto to someone else. So, I will show you the first forum. You have it here. It's from Chad on the Raptoreum Discord. You can see find me on Discord. I will put a link to this forum as well. And here you enter your Discord name, you enter your Discord ID. You need Discord for this, and you need at least 10,000 Raptoreum. How do you get your Discord ID? You can click on the link and it will help it. How you go to developer mode, advanced developer mode. Then you just right click on your name and you will get there. I think we have it down here. Yeah, right click on you. You have a copy ID. Paste it in. Your Raptoreum address that you want to get your rewards in. Just a smart advice or a tip. Create a new address for your rewards so you can easily see when you get it. The rewards are coming once a week on Sundays. So then you can double check, see that everything's right. Collateral, 10,000. Enter the text from transaction. This you can do after you have sent the transaction to Shed. And here, oh, by the way, here is his address that you need to send it to. So you send it, 10,000 or more. You go to your transaction, you right click on it, and you can copy the transaction ID from it. Paste it, submit. Easy. And when you are on Discord, you can just look Chad up, send him a message, and say, hello, hi man, I did send you some Raptoreum to your share nodes. And then he will answer. So the second one is iNodes, and this is a bigger one. They also have a homepage, and here you can go on some stats to see. Daily they say 1 to 2%, weekly almost 1.4. For me, I get a roughly 1 to 1.1%, so it's a little lower than this. I just assume it will go up and down a little, depending on how much pressure it is on the chain and transaction. You have a tracker. Let's see if it works. Yeah, here you can see it's starting to fill a new node. It's node 84. So when this is done, you will be able to see it here. And you can see a summary here. So you can check how much you have sent and how much you will get out in reward. So, and then have join. You will get to the forum. This is a forum 2 page. He's talking how you do it. We send the corridor. And they say here, smart nodes rewards are paid to users weekly, often Sundays. And that he's taking a 6% fee. Shad, I think, is taking 4. So he's a little lower, but still, the fees is not high. The address you send it to, say copy transaction ID, like last time. Fill out the next forum, next section on this forum. Need any help? Bid him 6 up. Sorry if I butchered your name. He's also on the Raptoreum Discord. So we just click next. And we get to the next page. Read this. Agree to it. It's like they taking... it's your responsibility when you are sending your Raptoreum to them. You can't blame them for something, or you can't demand if something goes wrong, or yeah, you just need to read it so you know everything. So, username, transaction ID, amount of Raptoreum, minimum 10,000. And yeah, reward address. Fill it in. You also have for the transaction ID. Right click on the transaction in your wallet, select copy transaction ID and paste it in here. Like last time, you need to send the transaction first so you can get this. Let's see, have I forget anything? Yeah, and like with chat, looking up, look Win6 up when you have send the transaction in the forum and say, hi man, I joined your smart node. And he will answer you, say, okay, nice, thank you. And confirm that your Raptoreum is there. So just a short, we can call it teaser from iNodes, is they are working on a app that you will be able maybe to use your Discord to log into, and there you can get all your information in a custom UI and hopefully be able to choose how you will get out your rewards every day or every week, and also the options to reinvest your rewards automatically. So that's pretty interesting. I hope it goes well for them. So keep up the good work. Yeah, that was all for me this time. Sorry for rambling a lot. but I hope you get the big picture of it all. And I will put every link in the description, so check there. And join their Discord. I will put that in the description as well. So, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And I wish you a great day. Bye!